This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 is a stylish, pocket-sized foldable smartphone that combines an elegant design with powerful features and Galaxy AI capabilities. Unveiled in July 2025. This smartphone has compact flip design, folds neatly into a slim, portable shape with a strong yet lightweight armor flex hinge and aluminum frame. This smartphone has dual screens, 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x main display with smooth 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits brightness. And this smartphone has 4.1-inch flex window outer screen for managing notifications, apps, and selfies without unfolding the phone. This smartphone has a powerful processor. This smartphone equipped with Samsung Exynos 2500 chip, which offers fast and efficient performance. This smartphone has impressive camera. Rear camera has 50 MP main plus 12 MP ultra wide cameras. Front camera has 10 MP selfie, and this smartphone includes flex cam for hand-free photography with preview on cover screen. This smartphone comes with 4300 mAh battery lasting up to 31 hours of video playback. This smartphone support 25-watt wired fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging. This smartphone runs on Android 16 with One UI 8 and optimized for foldable use. This smartphone features Galaxy AI tools like Now Brief, Now Bar, Gemini Live for voice task, and support for Samsung DeX. This smartphone constructed with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and Armor Aluminium, and it offers IP48 water and dust resistance. So the durability of this phone is very good. Now we will see what are the pros of this smartphone. This smartphone has a stylish and compact design, easily fits into pockets and feels modern. This smartphone has bright and colorful displays. Both inner and outer screens are vibrant and smooth. This smartphone has a strong hinge and less grease. Folding and unfolding is satisfying with robust hinge. This smartphone has Galaxy AI tools, which streamline tasks and enhance usability. This smartphone has a flex cam, which simplifies group photos and selfies with hands-free functionality. This smartphone has a decent battery life, holds up well through a full day of use. Now we will see what are the cons of this smartphone. This smartphone has limited flex window app support, outer screen support few apps, and often require extra steps to launch. This smartphone support 25-watt charging, which feels slow compared to other flagship phones. This smartphone gets warm under heavy use. Phone can become warm during gaming or prolonged camera sessions. This smartphone has stiff hinge, durable but somewhat stiff, making one-handed opening challenging. Now we will see customer feedbacks. The first one is it feels like a normal high-end phone but folds in half. That is the best part. The second one is the bigger outer screen is amazing, so handy for quick task. Third one is Galaxy AI features are truly helpful. They make daily routines easier. Fourth one is Plus Cam is a game changer for group photos and selfies. No need to unfold the phone. In US, the price of this smartphone ranges from $1,999 to $1,220 based on the model. In India, the price of this smartphone ranges from 94,300 rupees to 1 lakh 4,600 rupees based on the model.